Hi everyone, Marv Eisen here of Timeless Dollar. And today I just want to make a short video for those of you who are having some problems trading or maybe a little bit confused about trading. Trading is not at all that difficult. Basically, the fight is against you and your own fear. But in terms of trading itself, the mechanical aspects, there are only six types of trade setups that you need to know about that I teach in my trading course. And remember these six letters: G, S, T, T, M, C. GSTTMC. The gap trade, the support and resistance trade, the trend trade, the time and price trade, sometimes called the symmetrical trade, M, momentum trade, and C, candlestick pattern trades based on simple candlestick patterns like the hammer at the bottom of a decline or a hanging man at the top of a rise with a confirming indicator, of course. So 6 trades, that's all you have to know. If you are involved in trading and you're taking trading courses that go on and on and on about this, that, and the other things, there are only 6 trades. Now, beyond knowing those trades and learning how to recognize the setups, and I'm going to point out 2 of them on this chart, actually 3, but first I want to explain the chart. The chart has 2 pieces of information on it besides the candles, and this is a 3-minute chart of the Emini. And when I start the day, I always put the previous day's close. I draw a horizontal line to indicate where prices closed the previous day, and I draw my trading zone. Now, what is a trading zone? Is it a guess? No. A trading zone is a likely area where prices are likely to trade the following day based on previous price actions on the past several days. And those calculations, that trading zone, is based on the work that George Taylor did in the 1950s. And these calculations basically are averages of declines and price movements, price increases and price declines over the past several trading days. So based on the fact that prices rise and fall a certain amount every day, we take an average of those rises and falls, and we come down to a number, and those numbers come down to a support number. In this case, it was 38.50, and a resistance number of 39.27. That's the trading zone for today. Is it accurate? For the most part, it's as accurate as anything you're going to find on the internet or anything you're ever going to find. I call it as good a tool. It's as close as having a crystal ball as you can find, but it's still a calculation. It's not 100% accurate, and some days it's not accurate at all, and you have to basically make modifications when the price doesn't conform to what the calculated trading zone it tells you. But basically, it's the next best thing to having a crystal ball. So looking at this chart, here's how I start my day. Before the prices even print on the chart, I have my trading zone, and I have my close of the previous day. Prices started out right at the resistance level of the trading zone and quickly moved down, well, relatively quickly, and filled the gap. Now, there are 3 trades on this chart. There's the gap trade, right? Gap. There's the time and price trade or symmetrical trade. That's this one. Actually, it's this leg of it. And there's the momentum trade. Again, the momentum trade. Boom. There are 3 trades on this chart, 3 of the 6. So gap, time and price, symmetrical, momentum, GSTTMC. GSTTMC. 6 trades. If you want to learn these trades, go to my course at timelessdollar.com. And I'm going to make a recommendation to you if you are having problems trading. Please take my course, or if you just don't want to take a course, if you just want to talk and you've been trading a while but things haven't been working out, go to my site at Timeless Dollar, and I offer coaching sessions, either a 30 or 60-minute coaching session. And these are inexpensive sessions. It helps to talk. Sometimes it just helps to talk to somebody, and maybe I can help you find what the weaknesses are that are causing you to not be successful as a trader. So I hope to hear from you. If not, that's fine as well. I hope you learned something from this video. Again, today is Friday, May 20th. Marv Eisen from Timeless Dollar. You've seen my trading zone for the day. Let me go back there. Again, it's 39.28 and 38.50. If you want to get these trading zone numbers, I calculate them every day and I send them out to subscribers. You can get it again on my site. Go to my Emini courses, daily trading zone subscription, and you can subscribe and get these numbers and set your chart up for the following day, so you'll be a better educated, better informed trader. Anyway, thanks for watching. Have a great day. Trade safely, and I'll see you in my next video.